Now Marcy's just turned me
Now
off. Oh, there we are.
Yeah, there we are.
Morena e te iwi.
I love it.
Oh,
I love a
dear.
rocky start. And you know what they missed out on? They missed out on this. I can't hear it. Can you hear it?
I can't hear it.
Where's the... Why doesn't anything go after the weekend?
Yeah,
The whole system's gone on a
we
long
come
weekend.
back and then nothing's on. It just makes no sense.
Who did? I'm going to blame
hang
Nutty.
on. We've got
No.
our official person, Auntie Pauline, has said sound now. Okay, so I'm assuming she can hear us.
Yes.
Because Auntie, we're here.
Just hidden between those lines, sound means no sound, and now means now there's sound. That's what we're getting at.
Oh, we leave for the long weekend, and we come back to everything's been moved again.
But I don't know why the music doesn't work. Why it not work?
Maybe push another button.
Okay, let's try this one.
Oh, wow.
Wow. That sounds amazingly not on.
Anyway, everybody, welcome to the show today. It's a great day to be back. Today's the 1st of February. Would you believe it? It's the 1st of February already.
Yes. I think we need to go out there. It'll be 12 days of Christmas, see? So if you want to get in on that competition, count who's on your mind, because we're nearly there to you.
We are nearly there. 1st of Feb, and I believe the little kids go back to Kura today.
They do. Kika.
Get up!
You've only got 20 more years of school.
It's like our nephew Mars Cove. No, he doesn't understand that. He goes, I can finish school soon. I'm 9. I'm 9 next year. Kaz. Long way to go, Bo.
Well, that was Huiye when he was little. He was like, do I need to still go to school? And was like, yes. But when you're uncle's size, Ortonese, then you can finish. And he's like,
oh dear. Yes, Auntie, the joys Māori radio. Amazing.
I have no idea where our music buttons, like nothing.
You know, the buttons aren't
working.
Maybe
if I push this.
Oh, there we go.
There's so much buttons on this board.
It's ridiculous.
That I'll just give something a go. And...
there
it is! Now, who put it on channel 3 and 4? Like, who uses that channel?
Who? We should start the show all again.
Okay, ready?
Ai, Morena!
Alright, anga whakarunga tō tātou titiro ki ngā tohu huarere. It's a bumpy and rocky weather forecast here in the studio.
That's right.
But we'll see what's going on out there in Whangarei.
That's right. Ngā tohu huarere mō tēnei rā. Ki te whangaorei pai kohi ngā cockles. It's currently 20.3 degrees and it's only 7:17 this morning. 20.3.
That is hot.
It's like a proper summer day in like Blenheim. It's like a hot day already.
I've never been to Blenheim.
It's lovely, but you don't need to go. It's lovely. No, it's currently 20.3 degrees. It's a high, though, of 24 degrees, and it's humidity of 91%. So it is back to what? Moist.
She
is moist.
She was hot last night.
It was hot last night. It's cloudy, few showers this morning, evening northeasterly, sun setting at 8:33 tonight.
Kia ora, ki ngā tai o Whangarei. High tide will be at 8:45 later on this morning, and then low tide at 22:01. No, 3. I'm like trying to read the numbers. I suck at reading the time that way.
Oh, I tell you
what. 20 to 3 is your low tide later on this afternoon.
Lovely. That's fabulous.
Yes.
Oh, there we go. Like we say, like we go out and
Koi ngā cockles.
That's right.
Like, obviously, we had to change our lyrics for some people that said you don't even koi kutai.
And they are absolutely correct.
Yes. And so we changed it to cockles because I've koi cockles once.
We've also, this past weekend, Mama Bird and Princess Royal went to Te Home up north and picked some pipi.
Oh, today.
So I did, but did I participate? I've got a bung leg, so I couldn't.
Did you go up north?
We went up and back.
Oh, nice.
It's just lovely just to get out of the house. Just before Pai here.
Oh.
And it was low tide, no pakarama, people picking pipi.
Before Pai here.
Yeah, that big bit of water that and it goes out. And then it comes back. That thing called the ocean.
Is Is it Empire here, but just before you go over the hill?
It's before you go over the hill, yeah.
Ah, yes. Oh,
Yes.
that's called Te Haumi.
Te
I
Haumi.
never knew.
Yes.
Oh, get the mass here.
Oh.
You went to Blenheim on your. God bless whoever's paying for this haringa. Oh, did we? I don't remember Blenheim. Oh, that's probably why.
Don't know. Beach.
I love your one comment. If you don't know, we're reading the comments on our Facebook Live. So you can catch us on live on Facebook, live on Aore and Mara page, and our Nifa Creative page, as well as Ngāti Hine FM's YouTube page.
Oh, we're everywhere.
And it had Phoenix's personal page still hooked up here.
So we're currently using that. So go check out his live, his page. His Phoenix is actually, where is Phoenix?
Yeah.
He's showing up.
We went live from his page because he's not here.
Oh, Phoenix, where are you, Bowl? Did you miss the memo?
Yeah,
Long weekend was till Monday.
You know where he is? He's Paru. Tell me, Paru.
He's Paru. He's at home. Parutanga.
Nah. Yeah. Kei akra koe e Phoenix e. Probably you know, the part where we miss him is when he puts on his
sexy maramatanga.
Yes.
I'm not very good at it. You do it. I'll
Give us a try. Oh my god.
Sexy maramatanga.
Oh, you sound like the Screen Man. Okay, Maramataka.
Oh, Maramataka. There we go.
Maramataka.
Okay.
We're getting there, Tiwi. We are getting there.
All right, I will sing for you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, we just lost 4 people.
Oh,
we've just gained another 3. Fantastic.
Okay.
Welcome back. Oh, no, they just... Oh, okay. Go away then. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Let's hear your sexy Maramataka.
Come on down. Oh, no. Remember, let's do it with a beat. I can't do it.
Oh, no?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, are you ready? Okay.
Oh, I'm back. Did you say Mangi Manoa? Okay, start again. Maramataka. Welcome to your Maramataka. Okay, wait, we've got a comment. Ngāti Hine FM on tune. What? Tune-in is not available this morning. The whole system must have been turned off.
Oh,
Tune-in? Like as in on air?
Ngāti Hine FM on tune-in is not available this morning. The whole system... Right, so if anyone is listening to us currently at home on the radio, can you give us a call? 0800 500 520.
We're going to carry on.
Yes, we're going to carry on.
Yeah. Internal sabotage. Wow, Pauline Hopper's going hot on the comments. Here we go. Sorry, as you were.
Oh, okay. We're starting again?
Starting again.
Okay, one moment.
No mai haere mai. It's Whiro. There's a peace in the darkness. I've finished. That's it. That's the whole of the Maramataka.
Oh, for goodness. Even the moon's on holiday.
Whiro.
What
does it say? There's a peace in the darkness.
The moon is still on holiday.
Kia ora. All right.
Oh, there we go. That's it.
Oh, what's it?
Oh, yes, we can hear you. Fantastic. Thank you, generator, for letting us know the radio is working.
Okay. I think it's oh my gosh. I think it's just like it had a long weekend and it's slowly turning on for everything.
Yeah, how dare you?
Come on, board.
Come on, board. Yeah, it's been here for 30 years.
All right, we'll see if we can do this whole sign-in and a better sign-in very shortly. Let's get to the rhythm.
Woo!
And we'll be back with you. It is Marcy and Luke here till 9. Aore e Mara, Ngāti Hine FM. You're right.
There we go. Welcome back.
Oh my gosh, what a rocky start, but we got there.
Welcome back, onliners. You know what it's like. You're the VIBs, a very important backstage pass, because you know what it's like. You can't listen to the music due to copyright, but you get to listen to Marcy and I.
Yes.
You get all the tea.
Okay, so we are good now on air, online. I hope.
Well, we got the generator said that we can hear you on the radio, so that's perfect,
Okay, cool.
which is very good. But you know, how's everybody's long weekend in the Taitokido? Did you do anything exciting? Tell us what you did. So far, all the comments are from Auntie Pauline. So if anyone else is online watching, let us know what you did for the long weekend.
Let us know.
Let us know everything. What did you do? Who did you do? No judgment here.
Who knows who the cat fit?
Who the catfish? Who the catfish?
Fit.
Oh, fit. What's a cat fit?
Yeah, exactly. No, it's Bob Marley's song.
What a cat fit?
Who
Taitokido
the cat
Tuesday. E ara e mara. Yeah, Phoenix is not in today. We don't know where he is, actually. He hasn't shown up.
fit?
Oh, the joys of being your own boss. I tell
The
ya.
joys of working with Phoenix.
Phoenix, if you are watching this, because it's on your Facebook page, you're supposed to be over here, sitting over this chair.
I could get that we're on this Facebook page. It's probably the viewers that keep coming like, what is this? Nope.
Oh, yeah. It's like, what's it called?
No,
the
thank you.
thug thingy? What's it?
Trilini thugs.
The trunk. The trunk. The trunk. The trillionaire.
Why are they cracking it?
Yes, but how do I say it?
Trillionaire.
Trillionaire thug. That's it.
Yura.
How does that work? I never understand it. I keep seeing it pop up. I'm like, I don't get it.
Oh, you should get it. I get it. I'm not on the list.
Tune in is where you can tune in online to whatever station you want. This morning is not. Oh, okay, that's good to know. I didn't even know we could do that.
Tune in on the Ngāti Hine FM page.
No, to whatever station you want.
Oh, yes. Now there is the
Thank you.
iHeartRadio app too, and it's got all the iwi radio stations on there.
Oh.
I
I was like, that's awesome. Oh,
let's change that, eh? Let's change that.
Let's
so we're on
change
an app.
that. Changes in the air.
Okay, we've got 40 seconds.
40 seconds, and we're coming back to you
The
live.
wheel. Okay.
Marcy, it's 40 seconds time. How do we bring the
Right.
wheel in? And which one do I push?
This thingy here.
Yep.
And Oil of Fortune. And it should be there.
Okay, and then how do I bring it to the page? Though?
Close the ad. Go there.
And then
we bring it by this share screen.
Oh, yeah.
The Chrome tab.
Oh, hell.
Wheel. Share. And it's there now, but I don't want it on now. Let's turn it off.
Oh, I pushed that button. That's right.
That's
okay, I remember, girl.
You got it. We've got 5 seconds. Here you go.
Iwa te kauma, iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kauma, iwa ira tahi tū atu I hikura. Te iwe!
Morena, are we back on the audio?
We are back on the audio.
Yes, get it. You are listening to Marcy and Hooper. I'll call you Luke today. Marcy and Luke here till 9 o'clock. Ere mara, and it is currently 28 minutes past 7.
It is. It's 28 past 7 in the morning, and it's a warm day today. She is moist tongue out there. If you are joining us, welcome to the show. And if you've just left the online, shame on you. Shame. How dare you?
They won't know because they left.
Welcome back.
Yes, that's right, though. You can listen to us on air at those frequencies mentioned or online at Nifa Creative Facebook page, Ngāti Hine FM YouTube page, or Eare Mara Facebook page. And currently today, special edition, Phoenix Ruka's Facebook page.
That's right. So if you are watching from Phoenix's page, welcome. The reason why we're on his page is because he's supposed to be here at work.
All right, Tiwi. Very shortly, we're going to get into our Eare Mara segment, a chance for us to wake up.
That's right.
With a good old game.
Game.
But we've got the Weeder.
The big Weeder.
Of Fortune, who will tell us.
If you are watching online, you're going to see the big wheel of anxiety. And if you are listening at home, we've got a wheel that decides the fate of our game's choice today. And here we go.
It is.
We're
So
about
pretty.
to... Actually, how do I make it spin?
You click the middle, the white.
Oh, we do. Here we go.
There we
Here we go. And the wheel is spinning.
Oh wait,
Oh, no, I've got to go on to the actual thing, don't I?
on the actual what?
The actual page?
Oh yes.
Run moment. Here we
And
go.
there
The wheel is spinning. Here it goes. It's spinning. There we da. Oh, oh, ah. Aye. We are playing in the studio after the break.
Kia ora. So reverting that wheel.
Oh, so isn't it? It's quite a vibe.
Alright, it's here we go. Tony Wai in the studio is coming up right now. Here's our mate Shay Fu. It's Fade Away. Ngāti FM.
Woo!
And welcome back.
Welcome back, VIBs. Yeah, you know me. Yeah, it's a VIB. Everybody sing. Coming for the chorus, the mighty, mighty chorus, which I thought it to be
We should get the words.
We should. Because I bet the words we're singing from Sister Act 2 are actually not even it.
What? Habitats
Chorus, the mighty, mighty chorus, which a morning shall be good.
What is something?
Well, it's a mixture, isn't it?
Oh
no. Yeah, you know me. Everybody sing. Come inside the chorus, the mighty, mighty chorus. Hey, hey, hey. Remember, if you are joining us online, someone just joined us, you don't get the music from the radio show due to copyright. Oh, thank you, Auntie. But you get us, the VIB experience, which is the very important backstage pass. You get all the tea. All the
Here we
tea.
go. Come and join the chorus, the mighty, mighty chorus, which the morning stars begun. The Father of love is reigning over us.
By the way,
What have
you done for him lately?
Boom. We need to do that for Karaoke Friday. Eh?
Yes, we should.
We shall.
We will.
We
Conquer.
will. You're welcome in advance. Okay, in the studio, we usually play that with a BT.
Yes, the issue is there's two of us. It's going to be harder. Because it's bam, 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 bam.
I did like the last one that I listened to you.
I think it's
It was quite
okay
funny.
if we make up words. I approve
Of course.
of making up words.
Okay, here. Okay, yeah, there goes one.
Flight attendants, go to your door. Civil aviation rules require you to comply with all crew instructions and signs whilst you're on board this flight. Morena Sarah Kay, hita late Sarah Kay, you missed Hina today. You've missed it.
Oh, no.
No.
You didn't miss it. It wasn't me. I'm not good. I can't do the 60-minute Mataka. And it was only like 2 lines and I was finished.
What was it again?
was
Something
Fedor.
in peace.
Yeah, Fedor. Right. Looks like Fedor.
Fedor.
Over.
Mountains. Oceans.
My way.
Poos and wees make ya.
With me. Taxi. Us two. Straight through. That's why.
You know what I don't like? When people come online to watch and then they want to hop off. Why?
That's okay.
No. That's like when you go to someone's Instagram and you ask to follow them. So you say, cool, yeah, great, jump on. And then they unfollow you so you get their like. They get your like. No.
What? I didn't even know that. How about trying the informative Manamataka voice? Oh, that's good. AKA
Shorter from Perth.
Pakeha voice.
Live, local, and at home.
Good, like working like a telecommunicator.
4 minutes.
Sorry, Etiwi, there's a whole lot of ads.
Kia ora, Annette from Perth. Welcome to the Aotearoa. Actually, you're probably good you're not listening to the ads right now. I can put the ads on for you. You know what? Just for your own enjoyment. How about trying the informative Maramataga voice?
Hey, that's it. You can do it today.
Today, the
What
moon.
about the flight attendant Maramataga voice.
Flight attendants, go to your door. Civil aviation rules require you to listen to the moon's call every night. Today, it is Fiddle.
That's it. Maybe we need a recap. We will recap next hour.
Fiddle. Thank you.
We've still got 2 minutes.
We've got 2 minutes of ads. Do you want to hear the ads?
Give us a thumbs up and we'll put you on the ads.
Give us a thumbs up in the comments if you want to hear the ads. We can give you the ads. We just can't give you the songs.
We've got ads galore just for you.
Okay, no one's giving us any ads.
Very shortly we're coming in with our Aore Mara game, which is in the studio today.
Annette is my Koti's daughter. She comes from Pihi and oh, cool. No, thank you. Okay. Well, cool.
She comes from. I thought it said that. She comes from the Pihi. I was like, oh, gee.
From the Pihi.
From the Pihi. Whakapara.
Replying to Pauline Hooper, cousin
Corty.
Corty.
Yeah, I was like, my Corty's still.
I was like, maybe I've missed something.
Who's Corty?
Is it the Corty Whenua Māori? Oh, we digress.
I see. Okay, no, thank you for that.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Are you
There's
sure?
1 more minute of them.
Oh, we should go get a feed. Oh. And this is what other radio stations around the country do too, when they do a live, because you can't play the music. So they all do this too. My FM do the same. They just sit and digress until the ads finish.
Yeah.
Nah, I don't want to, cuz. Nah.
Okay. 1 minute.
Oh, another minute. Sorry, guys. No, that would have a Macron quarter. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's just my Corty. What's that?
Kuti. My Kuti. Oh. My Kuti? Or my Kuti?
True.
Yeah, what is the temperature in Perth, Annette? Because it must be hot. Hey, if you're listening to us now from Perth, that must be 6543. It must be 2:37 a.m. What are you doing up so late, girl?
Or early.
Hey.
Aye.
Are we back on?
10 seconds.
Ngāti FM.
Iwa te kauma, iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kauma, iwa ira tahi tū atu I hikurangi morena e te iwi!
E ora e moro!
Woo!
That's right, it's iwi. Era e mara, a chance for us to wake up using one of our games that we love to play. And
That's
today,
right.
the wheel span and it spat out in the studio.
In the studio,
Kia
which
ora.
is, for some reason, that Will is loving that game.
Yeah.
We play it all
It's
the
a
time.
real good game.
It's a really good game. Really good, Marcia. Marcia, it's a really
Oh my
good.
gosh.
I'm going to give you a big really kiss.
Oh my gosh. I want to find that beat. No, that's
Oh,
not it.
no, that's not it. Okay.
Is it that? No, that's not it.
Welcome to the show, everybody.
Oh, this
Oh,
is
here
it.
we go.
Here we go. In
You
the
start us
studio.
off.
Out of mara. Hey. Hey. What we doing in the studio? We're having fun in the studio.
Yeah, get your gun in the studio.
Wow, I got a band in the studio.
Hey, let's go for a run in the studio.
Hey, I'm a nun in the studio.
Hey, that's a good pun in the studio.
Hey, I'm the one in the studio.
Hey, get some sun in the studio.
Ooh, hey, one in the studio.
Hey, hona batsisikapa,
Hey, you
arepitata.
a ton in the studio.
Hey, you want a crumb in the studio?
Hey, I'm gonna grunt in the studio. We started making stuff up. Hey, what we doing in the studio? Hey, we're looking down in the studio.
Hey, to be frowned in the studio.
Hey, just get down in the studio.
Hey, yeah, in the studio.
Hey, Pax in the studio.
Hey, what's this pucks in the studio?
Hey, I got a rack in the studio.
Oh, I can't say that.
Okay.
I guess another word I was thinking.
We digress.
Oh, it's hard when there's two.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, here we go. Back at it.
Okay.
If you don't know the gist of the game, obviously it's just rhyming in the studio.
It wakes
with
up
a little
the
bit of a
rural,
beat.
wakes up your nono.
Okay. Here you go. Hey, Marcia and Luke. What it do, baby? Hey, what we doing in the studio? We're on a seat in the studio.
Hey, feel the beat in the studio.
Hey, I feel the heat in the studio.
Hey, go to Crete in the studio.
Hey, teat in the studio.
Hey, petite in the studio.
Hey, you better cheat in the studio.
Ooh, hey, fleet in the studio.
Hey, we in the street in the studio.
Hey,
I like some meat in the
meat.
studio.
Ah, damn it.
Okay, you start.
Oh, I can't think of a word though.
Hey. Hey,
Hey.
come on down to the lounge where we're in the studio.
Hey, what you doing in the studio? Hey, I'm gonna win in the studio.
Hey, I got a pin in the studio.
Hey, next of kin in the studio.
Hey, there's a tin in the
Ah.
studio.
Hey, there's a Winnie in the studio.
Hey, that's a bin in the
Ah.
studio.
Hey, that's a crin in the studio.
Hey, that's a sin in the
Ah.
studio.
Hey, that's a plenda pesicatosora petisa. That's so
Hey, you know my twin in the studio.
Oh, damn it.
Get her. Okay, one more round.
Okay.
It's Yada Butter in the studio. If you want to play along, then play along. Like nothing's stopping you.
Oh,
Okay, oh wow, the music said no, it's over. Hey, last round. We're in the studio. It's Luke and Marcia. Where's Phoenix? Paitera Party. Hey, what we doing in the studio? I see a board in the studio.
Hey, that's a horde in the studio.
Hey, there's some chords in the studio.
Hey, there's a door in the studio.
Hey, and a boar in the studio.
Hey, this is bored in the studio.
Hey, I want to crawl in the studio.
Hey, you want to crawl in the studio?
Hey, we'll have a brawl in the studio.
Hey, we'll have a roll in the studio.
Hey, you look tall in the studio.
Hey, I'm not poor in the studio.
Hey, throw the ball
Oh.
in the studio.
Hey, you want a wall in the studio?
Hey, give me a call in the studio.
Hey, show me. Pele. Pele.
Hey, all those people, give him a call in the studio
That's so
because he's
hard.
feeling down
Oh.
for being the loser of Aare Mothers this morning. Alrighty, TV, it's simple as that. Aare Mother. Chance for us to wake up,
That's
and
right.
I think we're at it.
We are uttered. Look, if you want to play that at home with your kids, of course you can. Some of your kids go back to school today. Woohoo!
Kia tamariki ba.
And some of them don't. So there's a great game
Kaiako.
to, yes, there's a great game you can play for your kids. Have some fun. Wake up the roro, and more importantly, your nono.
Oh, kia ora. All right, let's get back to the rhythm. Very shortly, we're going to check out topical news.
Oh, yes. Now, I've got some news about how you want to sit in business class and you can't. Join us for more and more and more after the break.
Ngāti Hine FM. We good?
Great.
We are good.
What did Phoenix just reply to us? He sent us a message. Forgot to log my Facebook out of Restream, so you're live from my page. Yes, Phoenix, we know. That was the whole point, because where are you? Be a good game to play in the breaks. We'll just put that on there.
Oh, yeah, we could. We could.
To play in the breaks with your listeners on the phone. Oh, yes, it would be Actually, we could play a game where they win some, where they could win a hug.
when they win some.
Oh, they could win.
The bottom of the barrel. Yeah.
Now back to Annette. Annette, what time is it over there? I'm confident it's almost 3 a.m. if you're in Perth. That's great. Phoenix must have just woken up. Yeah, he probably did. And thought, still on holiday, Kaz.
It's not a 4-day weekend, Kaz.
And those of you that were clever enough to take Tuesday to Friday off this week in Te Tai Tokido, well done. Because it means you get a 10-day holiday.
But I mean, do you need to anymore?
Nah.
I mean, so many people are working from home now.
Yeah, you don't need to. Nah.
Yeah. And I know they're like working from home.
They're working it from home. Oh,
working it out.
Welcome to the VIBs. Oh, for those of you listening on the phone or you're watching from your phone on your way to Mahi, you don't need to log off. You can keep us on the whole 2 hours and keep us on mute if you like, just so we feel, we can give you a virtual hug. We are hugging your phone right now. Big hug. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I don't really.
Annette, there she is.
Nearly 3 a.m.
Nearly 3 a.m. Girl.
Into Perth. I've never been to Perth.
Never been to Perth myself.
Or have I, Mum?
Yeah. Yes, Marcia, you went back.
Yes,
I've never been to that side of Australia before.
Western side.
It just
WA.
it just seems so hot. More call duties. Oh, kia ora.
Yeah.
Well done. Is it hot though? Because right now for us it's 20 degrees and it's 7:45 in the morning.
Oh, dear Mum, you haven't.
And it's hot for us for this hour of the morning. But it's also 91% humidity, which means moist. Marcia, you have not been to Perth.
Thank you.
Oh, bless.
Okay, have you got topical news?
I do.
Ooh, that sounds juicy.
Oh, it's not juicy. It's just fun. It's about
Ooh, that sounds fun.
Oh, my gosh.
Okay, we've got 50 seconds.
50 seconds, everybody, until we come back live on air. I've got a story about a flight.
That's right.
And I thought this was quite more funny than it was bad. Oh, you gotta watch out now. Oh, you watch out now.
Ten seconds.
10! Iwa te kauma, iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kauma, iwa ira Kurangi morena e te iwi and morena to all our people listening around the country, around the world.
Get it!
Older.
It is currently 7:45 and you're in the studio with Luke and Marcia.
That's right.
All the way at 9 o'clock, Nō reira kia au tori mai, and it is time for topical news. So, let's hit the streets. Hey Bird, what's the word on the streets?
Why, thank you, Marcia, for that marvellous introduction. It's good to be back here with the word of the bird.
Kia ora.
Now, a little bit of, when you're on a flight and you've always wanted to sort of upgrade and go up to premium economy or business class.
Not regularly, but yes.
Yes. Well, you know those people that sort of secretly go up and do it and they go, oh, there's a seat, I'll just go and do it.
Hey,
well, finally.
do people do that?
I've seen it happen.
Oh my God.
And then there's usually if you're really nice to the
ballsy.
cabin crew, they're like, oh, it's all good. Yeah, take a seat. It's fine.
Hey, they let them.
Some of them do if it's
I
not
would
full.
probably let them. If I like the aura.
Well, this is a case where the aura is kakarinatanga.
Okay.
And a couple that were boarding a flight from Newark in America to Tel Aviv in Israel decided, oh, well, you know what? There's a couple of seats up there. We're just going to get them. They were told not to. They were told, no, you can't sit there. Sorry, you've got to pay the money. They said, oh, look, we want to have a sleep. So they go to have a sleep. The cabin crew try to move them. They don't. And instead of just going back to their seat after 2 hours, the pilot decided, I'm going to teach you a lesson and I'm going to turn the entire plane around. After 2 hours in the air, he flew the plane back to Newark where they were greeted
Oh,
by
nah.
police and arrested.
Oh, nah. But the rest of the plane is like, bro, nah.
They did the walk of shame where all of the passengers decided to give them a big boo and swear and cuss at
Don't
them.
be going up against the captain, y'all.
The captain made an announcement on the flight, gave their names of the passengers' seat numbers, and the passengers were not happy. It was a 12-hour flight in total, and they were turned around after 2 hours. So that's what happens when you don't want to pay the money. Instead of just going back to your seat, the captain's like, I'm going to teach you a lesson. We're going to turn around, and we're going back.
Oh, no. 2 hours. That's like
He flew the plane back 2
here
hours.
to Christchurch and then, no, going back to Whangarei.
There is a comment here saying that even though when the passengers realised when the captain made a comment to say we're turning around, they did plea for him, okay, we'll go back. But he was like, no,
Oh, no.
I'm going to teach you a lesson.
Oh, damn lesson, Captain.
And they were
'Cause then
arrested.
Yeah, he was arrested. But then also, Captain, we already know how much gallons of petrol goes into those.
Correct.
Airplanes,
That's right. It
so-
was for every gallon. No, it's like a jumbo jet can fuel a car to go around the world 4
4
times.
times. So, hey, Kamal, what a lesson.
All they had to pay for their trip to upgrade to business class was $775 US. So now they've cost more to get out of their bail,
Yes.
to be given a
Oh, that's terrible. Like, okay, you tried it. Like, good on you for trying. But then to be asked to go back and then deny them, like, say no.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, you didn't even pay for that seat. Shut up.
yeah, terrible. Oh well, that's what you get.
But
And
anybody that's tried that and got
Yeah.
away with it, go you.
I know. I'm like, that's actually kind of cool. But then when
Yeah.
the captain gets involved and he turns the entire plane around,
shame,
woo,
Ace.
girl.
Oh, we.
Oh, look, there's a comment. Look, you guys are making me homesick. Good to hear you both.
Who's that?
Annette Laybourne,
Oh, still from Perth.
still from Perth.
WA.
Annette, just come home. Just come home, girl.
home.
Yes, Marcy, got any? You got any topical?
Yes, I do. And then it's just jumped.
Cool.
Oh no, one of New Zealand's oldest cinemas is for sale.
Oh, I read that.
Christchurch owner turns 90 and so he's
Yes.
selling it.
Oh,
Should we buy it?
we should. That'd be cool.
Oldest cinema.
The oldest cinema in the country, and the owner is
Awesome.
old too.
Yeah. So he put it will go to auction on February the 24th.
Wow.
Get it.
Um,
So the Hollywood Cinema opened in 1938 and has screened
Wow.
movies ever since, including a 25-year period when it was known as the Stage Door. It is the oldest cinema in the city.
oh,
it.
heck.
And Matua is like, oh, look, I've done my time. I'm selling it. Hopefully they keep it as a cinema, surely.
Sorry, I just went, ooh, heck, because for some reason I've been, oh, okay. I don't know if people are into this, but
Right.
a friend of mine the other day said, if you really want to get to bed, like try to go to bed and to just relax, you should
Yes.
watch blackhead removals.
Nah.
And I'm
no,
like, no.
no.
But I had a look.
Oh, no.
I just want to
I
show
love
you
how
all.
you just threw
No.
my whole article in the bin.
Well, this is topical news because the world's biggest
I had
blackhead.
topical news before you had your topical news.
the,
But
wor-
go.
the world's biggest blackhead
Oh, yeah.
is 55 years old,
No.
and it sits on the side of the earlobe by an
Of
American
Queen
woman.
Elizabeth.
I'm going to show you the picture
Oh, no. See, look.
I'm going to show you at home
Oh,
because it was just like, oh my gosh! And I've watched the video and
it's
how
a
it comes out.
crater.
It's like a marble.
Me ko maunga kiki.
Titira kitira pikitia.
Oh,
That
those of you online, it's like
it's a giant
it's
marble.
like a giant, like the end of a cigarette butt.
Ugh,
Do you reckon?
ugh. Yeah, a burnt one.
Yeah, a burnt one.
Ugh. Honestly, I've watched the
Oh,
video
that's gross.
and it comes out like an
Nah.
actual marble. And the woman is like in her 80s. She's an American lady. She takes her moko along to Dr. Pimple Popper to get it taken out. It's on her episode, and it's just. And she just thought she just didn't want to get rid of it. I'm like, lady, that thing has its own
Lady,
postcode.
That's disgusting.
That's the world's biggest blackhead.
Look, I gotta say that I actually do that. I find joy in picking my own ones,
Oh yeah.
but I cannot
No.
do other
Oof.
people's.
Ugh.
And when I see others, like I can't watch the videos.
Oh no, I couldn't
Like,
watch. But the thing is, I didn't
Friends
think
will
I
send
could.
links to videos. I'm like, no, yuck,
No, but you
can't.
watch it and you're like,
no, I
"Ugh,"
can't.
but you
I can't
keep
push play.
push it, try it,
No.
and the break will have a look.
Oh, yucky. Ooh, and we watched this
Uh.
program the other night. It was like I think it was like Chicago Med.
Oh, they're
Chicago.
good, aren't they?
Yeah, but then there was a lady that came in with a system, and they just fully no warning whatsoever. Scalpel, boom! Oh! Yuck! Yuck, yuck.
If anyone watches Dr. Pimple Popper, let us know because it's quite a good
Oh,
series.
gross.
Anyway,
That's gross.
coming up in the show, we've still got plenty more. We've got E Ara E Mara, which we've done. We've got
we got
Iti Te
Mbana,
Kupu.
yes.
We've got E Meana Koe,
Aye.
but you've got us until 9 a.m. this morning, Marcy and Luke with E Ara E Mara.
Reverting stuff. Go Tony Mai. Right now, here's one of my favorite songs, who I still don't know the proper lyrics to, but hey, it's Mariah Carey, Always Be My Baby.
Yes.
We're going back to the 80s. Early 90s.
We're going back, girl.
She was a goer. Anyway, you are listening to Marcy and Luke here till 9, Ngati FM.
Woo!
Should I sing or Mariah?
You go.
Ngati FM. Hey.
Dip dip now. Dip 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 now. Actually, where's the audio come from in here?
Huh?
Where does the audio come in from the laptop? There we go.
I don't know. We was a one day. Okay.
Innocent everlasting.
You welcome everybody. Welcome. It's the VIB. You know me. Now, there's a few of you watching right now. Welcome to the show. You've joined us on Phoenix's page because he decided not to turn up to work today. So we like to welcome the Trillionaire Thugs to the show. If you are watching this, hey, we're keen.
Hey, we keep.
What you doing in the studio?
Hey, I didn't get a chili thug.
Oh, we're going into the news straight away, or we're going to wait till can we come in after the song and say, hey, we're going to the news?
No, we can go to the news.
Okay.
Well, what do you want? What do you want to do?
I don't care. It's all good. Shall I let them know? Tuning in. Thank you, Diane Gavin. Where are you?
Yeah.
Do you know Diane?
Yes, I used to go to school with you. But yes, no.
Oh, I went to school. I went to school.
Yeah. With me.
I might talk about this afterwards, actually, because there was a guy I saw at my gym the other day, and I said hello to him because I thought, I know you. I went to kindy with you.
Did he remember me?
He just went, oh, hi. And I was like, stuff you then! But a lady at my gym, who I think is gorgeous, she goes to me, do you know him? And I'm like, I haven't seen him for years, but I went to kindy with him. And she goes, holy heck, he hasn't aged well.
Lady.
I felt so good about myself. I felt so good about myself. I was like, but I'm the same age as him. And she's like, well, how old's he? And I just said, well,
yes.
she goes, how old are you? And I was like, what do you think? And she's like, 28.
Get it!
Thank you, Kim.
And did you say, sorry, lady, I'm gay?
Sorry, lady.
Sorry, lady, but I'm gay. What a
wonderful day. Yeah, she was. I thought that was kind of nice. She thought I've aged well.
Way to go. Thank you. Yes. What was I going to say? Oh, I'd seen this guy that I used to go to school with.
Yes.
Both Tyler and I. And then he's a teacher. I'm not going to mention where. But another teacher introduced him. He was like, oh, this is da-da-da-da. And I was like, oh, yeah, nah. Like, I know him.
And he was like, I don't.
In our class since intermediate. And he goes, kia ora. Introduced himself like he didn't know.
What's his name?
Nah, I'm not saying.
But
I was like, what?
He's a teacher now.
Yeah.
Is it Moko?
No.
Who's a teacher that was in your class?
Exactly.
Give me the first letter. Because I don't know your class.
You're lying.
Give me the first letter.
Me.
Oh, give me the first letter.
A, B, C,
D.
D, E, F.
Oh. Do I have time to get me a cup of tea, or should I wait? Are you going to come in and say, hey, we're going to the news?
Nah. We're just going to the news.
Okay, everybody.
Put them on now.
All your VIBs, we're going to put you onto the news. We're coming for a quick little break, and then we'll come back to you with hour 2 of E Ara E Mara. Wherever you are listening around the country or the world or the rohe,
Kia hiwara, e whai ake nei ko ngā pito pito kōrero.
E ngā iwi o te motu tēnā koutou katoa, Scotty Morrison tēnei me ngā tai pito pito kōrero o te haora nā te pūtea taunaki a te māngai pāho. E whai ake nei e te iwi ko te rā tuarua tēnei o te hui a tau a te ropu o ngā hinara i roto o tāhuna i te wai paunamu. Ka mātaitia ngā kōrero o te wā, ngata tauranga o te wā e pāna ki te mate korona kei wainganui i a tātou me ngā hā kinakina e whai ake nei. Ko tīmata te hui a tau a ngā hinara ki roto o tāhuna i te wai paunamu. Tā rātou hui tuatahi me Christopher Luxon hei Kaiarahi Hall i a rātou. Hei tā Luxon i roto i tāna kauhau ki a rātou. Kua hinga mārika te kāwanatanga i roto i tā rātou whai. Kia tika, kia rawe hoki tā rātou kōkiri i ngā tonga mana pou pēnei i te hauora, te mātauranga, me te tāwharau i te iwi whānui i te mate korona. Tuia ki tēnā hei tāna, ka rea reipa i te paku mōhio, me pēhea te whakapau tika i tēnei mea i te pūtea. Hei tāna ko tētahi take nui hei wānanga mana hinara i roto i tēnei hui, ko tō rātou kotahitanga aha koa te aha. Nō nā noa nei ka puta ngā tauranga tōranga pū hou o te wā i te reo tātaki o Aotearoa, e ki ana koe piki ana hinara i roto i ngā whakaaro o ngā kaipōti, ara ki te toru te kaumārua o rau. E rere tonu ana ngā mai aroha kia Pete Smith, kai whakaari rongonui o te ao Māori i hinga i ngā rangi whakatānei ono te kaumātoru o na tau. He ai ki ngā kōrero kua roa ia e māwiwi ana. Kia hatia e tangi hotu ana tōna whānau o na hapu me tōna iwi. Tai atu rā hoki ki te rāngai kiriata i te huru mututanga o tēnei tau tohito, toru te kaumāwhitu tau e ki te ana i runga i ngā mata o te pauaka whakaata me ngā whare kiriata. Hei tā te waihoro i Shortland, tētahi i mahitahi me Pete Smith. I tino mōhio a Pete Smith ki te tikanga o te kōrero rā, ko te whakaiti, te whare o te whakaaro nui.
He tangata hūmāria, he tangata e tango i tana hāte i tana tuara ka hoatu ki tētahi atu. Kia mōhio i e mahanāna tērā tangata. Aha kua pēhea te nui o ngā mahi i roto i tētahi o i tēnei ao whakaawe noa. Ka mutu ana, ka hoki a Pete ki tana whānau.
E takato tonu ana te rama whero ki rungi i te motu whānui i tēnei wā whai muri hoi te horapatanga o te omikona ki wiwi ki wāwā. Tēnā kia tirohia ake ngā tatauranga mō ngā kehi o te rua te kaumā whā haora nei. Iwa te kaumā tahi kehi hō, kua hua ake i o tātou hapori i te rua te kaumā whā haora nei. Ko tahi kei te tai tokerau, ono te kaumā rima kei tāmaki, te kaumā whetu kei Waikato, ko tahi kei te tai rāwhiti, toko toru kei te Waiariki, ko tahi kei te moana a Toi, toko rua kei te matau a Māui, ko tahi kei te whanganui a Tara. Te kau ngā tāngata e tūroro ana i te hōhi pera nā te mate korona, toko rima kei ngā hōhi pera o Tāmaki Makaurau, toko toru kei te hōhi pera o Rotorua, ko tahi kei Waikato, ko tahi kei te matau a Māui. Ka are he tangata ko tahi i te wāhanga whā omo i tēnei wā nei he rongo pai tērā. Hei tā ngā mātanga o te manatū hauora mena e tūmanako ana tātou kia kaha tātou pāpare atu i te ngau a te omikona me whai i te kanoara i tai atu rā hoki ki te pūwerotanga whakakaha. Toru te kaumārima tau, ngā morehu o te hāhi o rātana i te rohe o te awa hō i horo whenua e whae a karakia kore ana. No ngā rangi whakatānei, whakatūwherahia ai e te hāhi o hato hone, o na kuaha ki ngā rātana, ki uru ai rātou ki roto ki te whakamahi i te whare nei, hei whare karakia mō rātou. Hei tā Ricky Baker a potoro o te hāhi rātana I ngā wā ōmua ka haere rātou ngā morehu o te takiwā ki heake ki te whakamoimiti I naianei kua whai whare rātou hei tuku mā rātou I wā rātou karakia ki te wāhi ngaro. Kāore tētahi o ngā hapū mana whenua o te rohe o Kerikeri ara te hapū o te uri taniwha I te paku tautoko I te whakaaro kia whakatūria he wahapū ki te whanga I Kerikeri. Kua rere ngā kōrero mō tētahi wahapū ki te pito whakateraki o te whanga o Kerikeri mō etahi tau I naianei. Engari kei te whakahe te hapū o te uri taniwha me etahi o te hapori. He hia hoki no rātou ki te chaki I ngā rore ika o mua me ngā wāhi tapu. Hei tā Ian Mitchell o te uri taniwha, ki te tūkino hia ngā wāhi tapu o te hapū, arā ki te ngaro, ka ngaro moa ke tonu atu. Mo te ahara hoki te take, arā mo te taunga motuka, me te taunga wakamoana, e ki. Nō rere te iwi e whai ake nei ko ngā tai pito kōrero ha kinekina.
Get your daily dose of Māori news and information. Pāki Waha, weekday mornings from 7 on Radio Wātea.
Ki te poi tūkohu e rua wiki I te kapa breakers e whakatāna I ngā whakaritenga o tira I te wā takatākaro o te ANBL, nā te pā o te mate korona ki a rātou. Hoki rawa ake rātou ki te pai o te riri ka wera rātou I ngā Jack Jumpers o Tāhimana. I te mutungi ho ko ngā Jack Jumpers I toa 89 ki te 53. Hoi anō rai tiwi, koe ranga ha, kinekina o te wā, kia ora tātou.
Nā nō reire te motu, mā wātea, mā te reo, te whakamārama.
He mea tautoko
nā te manga.
Ai pāho.
Ngāti Hine FM.
Timi tō te rohe. Welcome to the good life.
Hey, I had the snooze button.
E ara e mara.
It's Marcia and Phoenix serving up parakuihi every weekday from 7 a.m. till 9 a.m.
On Ngāti Hine FM.
Mei hia koe kia haere hei kai ako mōhio ki te kōrero I te reo Māori, ko wātea te ara I nāianei. Haere kia huri koe hei kai ako pai ki tō titiro anō mā te karahipi o te tipu whakarito. Ka utua katoatia o nama mō ngā akoranga. Ka tukua hoki he tahua te kaumano tāra hei awhina I tō noho. He ara tēnei hei whakaoho ia koe anō. Mea tātou tamariki. Kia huri koe hei tangata ka whirangi nui tia e koe anō. Aha kua hia hatu kaupapa, ako kai ngā kau I te kura ki te mōhio koe ki te kōrero I te reo. Kai te whai atu koe e mātou mō te reanga kai ako hau. Kimihia e tahi atu kōrero mō te karahipi o te tipu whakarito ki study.teachnz.govt.nz.
Aotearoa is at red to slow the spread of Omicron. Let's work together to keep each other safe. If you're 18 and over and it's been 4 months since your second dose, get your booster as soon as you can. If you get sick, isolate and get a test. Wear masks and give each other space. Plan in case your household needs to isolate. Shop normally. Groceries and necessities will always be available. Find out more at covid19.govt.nz.
Ngāti Hine FM. Tō reo, irirangi Māori.
Ngā marae o te kāinga. A place I like to call home.
Maungarongo.
I maungarongo ai te ingoa I runga o ngā kōrero I pā ki ngā hapu nei. I te ronga o Kawiti e pupu ana te riri, ka haere mai ia ki te hohou I te rongo I wainganui ngā hapu nei, te taua I te rangi Māori. Nā tēnei ka puta te ingoa maungarongo I te maunga mai o Kawiti te rongo ki poroti. Ko te awa o te hapu ko waipau, te maunga ko whatitiri.
Maungarongo.
Ngā marae o te kāinga.
This is what you've been doing the whole time.
12, 10.
He mea tautoko
nā te manga.
Ai pāho.
Iwa te kauma, iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kauma, iwa ira tahi tua atu I Hikurangi Morena. E, te, iwi!
Oh, pupuri!
Oh, Morena.
Way to go.
Thank you.
If you are not awake after that, ikama.
If you're not Morning, everybody. Hey, wake up and smell the coffee. It's a beautiful day with Marcy and Luke.
Yes, that's right. No, Phoenix, we don't know where he is. If you've seen him, let him know.
Let
He's
him
got
know.
work to do.
Let him know. He's supposed to be at Mahi. Gosh, where are you, Kaz?
Where are you, Kaz?
Terrible.
No, we lie.
Welcome
Or do
to
we?
the Haura Tuarua o tēnei hōtaka o e ara e mara.
Tēnā koe.
Welcome.
And right now we're going to delve into ngā tohu huarere o te wā.
Ngā tohu huarere o te wā, right here in Te Whanga o Reipai Kohi Kohi Ngā Cockles. It's currently 20.7 degrees here in Whangarei this morning, and it's 20 degrees in Tamakima COVID. With a high of 25 degrees, it is 87% humidity. It's dropped in humidity, which means it's still sweetitanga and moist. Tonight, the high tide is not my section. But tonight, the sunset is at 8:33 p.m. Now, if you're listening in
stay in
Perth,
your swimming lane.
if you're listening in Perth this morning, it's only 17 degrees. So it's hotter here, but it is 3 o'clock in the morning there.
I think it's only Annette listening in Perth because it is 3 o'clock in the morning.
That's right.
Morena ki a koe though, Annette. Thank you very much. And anybody else tuning in, let us know where you're tuning in from. Even if it's here, Whangarei, we want to know.
We want to know why you're not at work.
Ki ngā tai o Whangarei. High tide will be later on this morning at 8:45 and low tide at 20 to 5. Oh, not 20 to 5. 20 to 3.
20 to 3 this afternoon. Amazing.
Kia ora. Now, we're not going to cross to sexy Maramataka, but flight attendant Maramataka, go to your doors. Here, I would pass you.
I don't know.
What the Maramataka is.
Oh, thank you. We've got a listener right in. Onerahi.
Oh, I love it.
There you go. Onerahi rahi.
Onerahi rahi.
Okay, Marcy, what am I doing?
Taunga. Anei te Maramataka. And please, flight attendant.
Bing bong. Flight attendant, go to your door. Well, civil aviation rules require you to listen to all the Maramataka for the tine wā. Ko tine Maramataka ko whiro. There's a peace in the darkness. Civil aviation rules require you to comply with all crew instructions and signs whilst you're watching whiro. There is a peace in the darkness. Oh, Marcia, that's kakarina taka. Today's Maramataka is whiro. There's a peace in the darkness. Now, if that's some Iti Te Kupu stuff, I don't know. How does that tell? What does that tell you? Peace in the darkness.
Maybe you can follow the lights to the nearest exit.
Smoking is not prohibited on this flight of whiro. Maybe it's got to do with like there's peace in darkness. Like,
oh wow!
No, like
I think you've cracked it on the head.
Like in the still of the night.
Oh, or
in the still of the night. Hey.
Yeah,
Shoe up.
That's all it says.
Shoe up.
Anybody got any more insight into whiro?
I think we should do the proper Maramataka. I'll sing.
No.
We've got people asking.
No, we don't.
Somebody ask.
No, Phoenix is not here. He does that. Otherwise, you can get the flight attendant, Maramataka, thank you, that you just heard.
That was good.
Or the Scream Thriller Killer Maramataka, which is you.
Sexy Maramataka. We've got a good comment here, actually, and I think it makes a lot of sense. Whiro, peace in darkness.
Yes.
You are the light, Etito. Bring light into the darkness.
Ah, get it!
That's brilliant. I like that,
Thank
Diane.
you. She was talking to me.
Is it Diane or is it Deanne?
It's Diane.
Well,
I already told
could be
ya.
Deanne.
Well, it could be if it was.
Oh, fabulous. We
Anyway.
digress, don't we?
Let's say it one more time.
Or Whiro.
No.
Oh, what?
Just
Oh,
Whiro.
sorry. Whiro. A dark piece of kindness. Oh, what is it? A dark
There's
piece of
peace
kindness.
in the darkness.
Oh, there's peace in the darkness.
But as Diane has put, oh,
Whiro.
jeez, I'm going to read it all out for
are
you.
the light, Etito.
Oh, that
Bring
sounds
light
scary.
into the darkness.
Oh, look, I'm so sorry for that, Maramataka e tiwi. Anyway, koe rā ngā tohu huarere. Mo tēnei wā ki au ki anō tātou ki te mita o te rohe. Very shortly, we're going to check out Iti Te Kupu.
Yeah.
Yes. Engari tuatahi, nei rā a general fire It's here to stay, and that we are indeed. You're with Marcy and Luke here tonight. Got to hit FM.
That's right. Cacao.
iPad. Cocks.
Baby. Hey, yeah. Welcome, VIBs. You're the VIBs. Yeah, you know me. VIB. Everybody sing. Come inside the chorus. The body. That's what I know.
Come and join the chorus.
I said,
mighty chorus.
Thank you. I said find.
No, you didn't.
If you are joining us and you're wondering where's the music at, you can't hear it. Like every other radio station around the country, when they're on a podcast, you're just not allowed to play it.
Come and join the chorus, the mighty chorus, which the morning stars began. The Father of Love is reigning over us.
The Father of Love is reigning over us. By the way, what have you done for him lately? Ooh, yeah. So you get us during the breaks. You get the backstage pass.
What we can do right now? A little bit of an Mana game. Joyful, joyful Lord, we adore thee.
God of glory, Lord of life.
Hearts unfold like flowers before thee.
Here we have the Son of Christ. Is it? Is it? Yes!
It's not.
Oh.
Hail thee as the sun above. But that's good.
Oh.
Hail thee as the sun above. Mount the clouds, sin and sadness.
Drive the doubt of dark away.
The dark of doubt away.
Ah.
Here we go. Drive it away.
Oh, sorry. Drive it away to the mighty ocean. Is it?
I thought it was driving away to the Holy Ghost.
I never know that.
Driving away, giver of immortal gladness. All right, if you want to.
Okay, this is good.
Fearless.
Fill us with the light of day.
Fearless.
Fill us with the...
All we need is
the impulse.
Fearless.
Yeah.
Fearless.
Yo!
No, the boys, the harmony ones. Fearless.
Fearless. Oh, what's the word?
What's the word? Oh, fearless.
Fearless. Fill us with the light of day. Light of day.
That was perfect. With the light of day, Lord.
Fearless.
With the light of day, Lord.
Fearless.
Fill us with the light of day.
Light of day. How come at the top of my one it says it's got red little bars and your one's got green little bars?
Because the red bars is like not good connection. And the green bars is great connection.
So am I not connected?
No, it does that itself. You can't do anything about that. What we can do though is plead to the Aotearoa Health Trust to get fibre. Maybe they do, but a lot of people hop on the same Wi-Fi as us, and so yeah.
Maybe they need a hiding.
Maybe.
The song's been going for ages.
It's General Fire.
Shall I push stop sharing with the wheel tab?
Yeah.
Oh, hang on, I don't want to touch that. No, I'm not going to touch it.
You can.
I bet if I touch it, the whole thing's going to go off. Are we on?
No. Would you like to go on to the ads?
Ads are coming for you. Here they come. Oh my gosh. I sound like a drag queen.
Oh my God.
Time off so they can get vaccinated to help keep everyone safe. For more information and other updates on vaccination and the workplace, please visit employment.govt.nz. That's employment.govt.nz.
With Omicron now in New Zealand, the best thing you can do is to get your booster as soon as it's due. Boosters lower your chances of getting very sick and being hospitalized and help slow the spread of the virus. That's why it's important to get your booster 4 months after your second dose. If you're 18 and over and your booster is due, get it now. Get your booster. Get ready. Book or find a walk-in vaccination centre at bookmyvaccine.nz.
The rhythm of the Rohe.
Iwa Takoma, Iwa Ira ono ki whangarei nei, Iwa Takoma, Iwa Ira tahi tū atu I hikurangi. Morena, it's Iwi, it's Marcy and Luke with E Ara E Mara ko tēnei hōtaka. Mō te tuatahi o te wiki. Is that right?
Yeah,
there we go. That'll do.
Well, it's kind of tuarua.
Tuarua, yes.
Yeah.
We were
So,
here
no,
yesterday.
it's not right.
Welcome,
You're wrong.
everybody. It's Marcy and Luke right until 9 a.m. this morning. It's 8:20 a.m.
Kia ora. And ko tai tātou ki tēnei wahanga makau, a maua,
Ai.
a paua, a
Makau.
pāpau, a kia nei ko. Te te kupu, yeah.
Call it. Blow back.
Kia ora. It's Te Kupu, tell them about it.
It's Te Kupu, that wahanga where we talk about the smallest words mean the biggest detail. So Iti Te Kupu, Nui Te Kōrero. It's metaphors, Māori metaphors and similes that have more punch than a possum on a tree.
Kia ora.
This is where you really can go hard out when you go to a whai kōrero, that kind of thing. You can
Aye.
use something, it's very poetic, it's very driven with poetry.
Yes. Or if you just feel like upping your puna kupu,
Yes.
mō te rangi, then do use these. Whakamahia.
Aye. This segment is where
yeah.
Marcy will give us a iti te kupu, a kupu, whakarite.
Yes.
And then we have to try, well, me actually, because Phoenix is not here today, try to sort of decipher it because
Kia
it's
ora.
more than just a word, it's a metaphor.
Well, this rerenga kōrero.
Rerenga kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai. We
See,
also
that does
break.
some grunt.
Yes, get it, Tina. We also break out into song. It's a code.
Yes, and a code that can be texted.
Patuhi kōrero tēnā pānui mai. That's right. All right. Back to the rhythm.
Ki te kupu whakarite mo te rangi nei. He mea roa.
Oh.
Engari, like you said, nui te kōrero. Iti te kupu, nui te
Nui te
kōrero.
kōrero. But this is
one's
nui
nui te kupu.
Nui. Iti te
Engari anō mō te translation, he ahua iti ake. So,
Oh.
anei te tei mau.
Mhm.
He tai whati rua.
Was that
So,
it?
yes.
I thought it was longer than that. I was waiting for like another
All right,
3
you want a long one?
He tai whati rua.
He tai whati rua.
Now, I'm going to break this up as to how I've read it without listening to it. As I'm thinking it's tai as in the shore.
Kia ora, ding ding.
Whati is in break.
Yes, get it.
And rua is 2.
Yes.
So it's the 2 breaks in the shore that. Oh, I've got it.
Ah, there it is. Ko taka te kapa. What is it?
It's got to do with getting out there when the time is right. As in, that could be a good wave, or that could be a good break in the shore, but go when the right one is there.
Yeah.
So take the second opportunity. No.
Okay. But I love you trying this.
He
tanga.
tai whati rua.
Well, what about if I said there was a tie, right?
Yes.
And then there's 2 tides, so you're like, which one do I...
That's what I was trying to
And
get at.
Patiana, it's breaking against each other. Oh, what's happening?
So is it when the 2 seas meet each other and they crash? No?
Yeah, well, it could be, but what happens?
Well, you
what
just
kind
don't
of
go
person,
out
or
there.
like what
'cause-
kind of characteristic, or what kind of feeling?
Oh, you're
comes out of
unsure
that?
and you're got anxiety and you're unsure of
Sure.
it and you can't make the right decision because they're both intertwining with each other.
Yeah, like that. That's he tataaki tina.
Okay, good.
Right.
But it's not it.
Let's flip the card. It says has qualms or doubts.
Ah,
Kia ora.
he tai whati rua
whati rua.
has qualms or doubts.
Yeah.
I like that. That's
it's not
Phoenix
just
not
a-
coming to work. He doubted and had crumbs about coming to work. He thought, no, we're not coming.
Yeah, well, there's e tuki ana ngā tai e rua, eh?
Yes.
Should I not? Oh, I don't know. I'm not.
should
It's
I?
not like a free. It's not going out or coming in. It's both, and I don't know. I
And-
like both sides.
and That's when you just go, oh, nah, go home.
E tai whati
Oh, that's a good one, Mars.
Kia ora.
What's a tauira for that? Like other than
wow.
like how would you use that in a
And a rerenga kōrero.
Rerenga kōrero tēnā whakarongo mō. Sorry, I was.
What did you say?
I went to take a breath and I inhaled the wrong way.
Oh, he tai whati rua. Rerenga kōrero
Tēnā whakarongo mō. Thank you.
Okay, so our kupu whakarite mo te rangi nei, he tai whati rua. And how would you use it? Well, thank you for putting me on the spot there, Luke. But I would assume that you would use it like this. Marcia, are you still coming to the movies?
Marcia, are you still coming to the movies after work?
Oh, Luke. Oh, he tai whati rua. I'm not really that sure. I te mea, he mahi taku. And not everybody's like you, where you can just go off and do whatever you like.
But you do anyway. Marcia has nui ngā mahi, but she still goes off and does it anyway.
Hey,
Kia ora.
because you know what I've got? Freedom. Nah.
That's absolutely correct. I agree.
Freedom.
Someone said to me this morning, like it was you, what are you doing after this? I'm like,
I like that you said that. Someone said to me this morning, I was the only one here this morning. Like, it was me that said that, not someone.
Oh, we
anyway,
tried
e te iwi ara tētahi kōrero mā koutou, mā tātou, he tai whati rua.
I like that one because I'm a bit of a Pisces and that's something.
Oh, that is like, you need to put that on your CV.
You know what I don't like is when people sort of, when you go, oh, do you want to come to dinner on Friday? And they're like, oh, let me see what I'm doing. I'm like,
and they
can you not just check your phone? Like, check now? You can actually just check and you can see on your phone what you're doing.
You know you do that to me.
No,
I know.
And, and to me, when people say that, it's like, I'm trying to find something better to do other than hanging out with you. And I'm like, I'm going to smash your face.
I'll come out to dinner with you, Luke. Right. E tai whati rua te iwi kia okia no tātou ki te mita o te rohe.
Still to come.
At ease. Oh, still to come.
Yeah, still to come. We've got some great facts or cacks. Now, you want to stick around for this one because I've got a great fact about a possum.
It sounds reverting. I'm sticking around. But first, here's Got My Girl for Life. It's At Ease. Ngā Tihi FM. Got my girl for life.
Right.
Wait.
So I forget they can't hear me. Oh, can they hear me? Oh, they can. Oh. Hi, sorry, welcome back. Oh my God, we're so happy you're here. Oh.
What are you doing?
Oh,
I'm not sure.
Now the blackhead thing.
Oh no!
No, honestly, Mars.
Nah, I'm not watching that.
No, they're gross, but you're like, I gotta keep watching. The amount of stuff they get out.
It's disgusting.
Should I play one?
No.
To show you.
No.
Oh, you've got to
That
watch.
would have to be a punishment.
No.
If we did like a challenge, a punishment for me would have to be watching one of those.
No, honestly,
it's
it
great.
makes you want to try and find a blackhead, which I don't have any.
Right down your nose.
I've had a look and I'm like, how do people let it go that far?
Yeah, she's wanting to get a world record. That's
How do you let? No, honestly, some of these videos, I'm like, how do you let them go? And they're so young. People are young. How do you not wash your face?
Where was it? On the ear.
It was just over here,
Oh,
right
bro,
there, and it was a
that's
50.
Like, is your ear ashtray?
It was a 55-year-old blackhead, and it was like a marble. It came out of her face.
That is disgusting.
And then the Dr. Pimple Popper lady, Dr. Lee, she cut it, and it's just crumbly of yuck.
That is disgusting.
And it leaves this big crater in her face because it's just a sack full of dirt.
Nah, you're gross.
Like, how could you not just pull it out?
Oh, gross. How tomato mai nane?
It is. Oh, it's only 8:30. It might be a bit early for it. I don't mind doing it, and we can play something else. What else can we talk about, Marcia? What about your What about your husband?
Yeah, we could talk about him. Let's talk about him now.
That's right, it's Iwa Te Iwa Ira Ono, ki whangarei nei, Iwa Te Iwa Ira tahi tua atu I Hikurangi, Morena e te iwi. It is 8:29 a.m. here in Te Whanga o Reipai, Kohinga Cockles. And wherever you are in the rohe, welcome to I Ara Ia Mara. It's Marcy and Luke right up until 9 a.m. this morning.
What did you say? Wherever you are in the morning?
Wherever you are. And anyway, you're super to sitatu.
I was like, anyway, in the morning.
Wherever you are this morning.
Anyway.
Oh, heck of wherever you are this morning.
Flying. Anyway.
It's now 8:30 a.m. this morning, right here in the Motu. I'll jump into Tautoko that, Luke. What were you Tautoko before? I don't know what you're
jump into Tautoko that, Luke.
Thank you. I'm going to put that in there right now because I think it's just cool that you want to do something cool.
Very, very cool.
Right, Marcy, you got some news for us.
No, well, what did you do over the weekend again?
Nothing. No, we went up to it was quite cool. We went up to Te Haumi up before, just in Pai here, because we felt like a feed of pipi. So obviously I've got my bung knee.
You just went up there for pipi?
Yeah, my mum and auntie just wanted some pipi, so we went up. And there was lots of people digging for some pipi. It was awesome. We even saw the old
It's really sad that you can't go to Newgate anymore, hey?
Why?
Well, to pick pipi.
Is it Paru?
No, well, I don't think anybody does. Does anybody still?
I don't know.
Back when we used to, which was like, I don't know, when I was younger, a teenager, a kid.
Well, it was ages ago.
But like, you could just literally go anywhere there.
Oh, and just pick some.
Just put your feet or hands down and there was puppies.
Yes.
Galore.
Oh, well, we had a great feed. It was awesome. And then we went over to Pai here for lunch, and it was packed. Lots of people out, which was cool.
Yeah.
That was
Nice.
it.
What'd you have for
Beautiful
lunch?
day. That was a burger. Thank you. This is just real reverting. What did you do though? Because I didn't see you. You didn't. Your Instagram was quite quiet over the weekend.
Yes, no, I just try to get in my daily kori tina.
Yes, that's right.
Currently on day 16 of 100.
Well done.
Yes. Not that I'm stopping after 100, but it's just my goal to get to do consecutive days of
Yes.
kori tina.
I saw last night that you were still doing exercise at 5 to midnight.
Yes, because I had mahi that I should have started during the day.
Oh, here we go.
I start like my mahi at night. Why do I do that every time? Anyway, yes. So I did a little bit of mahi during the long weekend and a little bit as in I did some last night. And then, of course, I've got my daily kori tina.
That's right.
And so, yeah, just trying to do something every day. People, like everybody, even probably you, do that. Oh, that's normal. Like, I'm trying to make it.
I put it into my calendar. So I commit to that time.
Yeah.
Like if someone's saying, oh, do you want to go to brunch on a Tuesday at 11? I'm like, no, sorry. I can do 12:30.
Yes.
Because 11 is my PT session.
Yes, well, and then usually I do F45.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, 9:30. And but yesterday, because it was a holiday, there was only limited amount of classes, which you got to be in first.
Marcia,
so I missed out.
I've got news for you. The other day we were talking about Luke McAllister, your husband.
Yes, he's an F45 trainer.
He's an F45 trainer in Tamaki.
2 out of 2.
You've been watching, girl.
I have.
And I don't think he's with his wife. I don't think he is. I think he's single.
Yes.
And
well, there you go, Luke.
And on the
You're
prowl.
2 out of 2, F45. No, I didn't know that because
Marama,
Jones,
yes. I
that's
saw
their
that on her
trainer, one of their
Instagram.
trainers.
And I was like, oh my God, that's Luke McAllister. Go onto his page. Oh, it's Luke McAllister.
And
Great
and
name.
another fellow from Whangarei too. He used to be in the Taniwha.
Oh, yes.
Carpenter,
Yes.
He's another
Yes, I
trainer.
saw him. I thought, I know him.
Yeah, so we're not saying that you need to go to F45 because we've got fabulous. Actually, just like sushi shops, Thai restaurants, Indian restaurants here in Whangarei, we've got the most gyms per capita.
We do. There's a new one coming too.
In Aotearoa.
City Fitness is coming to Whangarei and
We've only
Purawini
just
Ave.
got Snap Fitness
Yep, they're all coming.
But you know what? One of my favourites, Common Ground Fitness.
Yeah, gee.
Go with your local.
Hey, here's some topical news. We used to go. Here's some topical news. Now, since November last year, I've been telling everyone about the newest restaurant coming to Whangarei South. And finally, over the last few days, it has finally opened in Whangarei South. KFC!
Oh, yes!
It has finally opened.
Driveway only. So I hear from my sources.
Yes, but it's finally opened over at Bunnings Warehouse. So I was telling the truth. People are like, I don't think it's coming. I think I'm lying. No, it's here, okay?
It's fully out.
It's
like
fully loaded.
Fully loaded. It's fully loaded. It's money. I wonder if money's been there. KFC, Smeedens Drive.
That's right.
You know, one thing, just want to palm me out to all the KFCs in Aotearoa, especially the Smeedens ones, because you are new. Can you be clean?
Yeah, they're so paru.
So paru.
And they just think they don't like they
paru.
They talk to you like they don't care.
Yeah. And then you're like, oh, excuse me, can you wipe down this table? And then they hand you the
yeah, they're like, you do it.
Like, sorry, I didn't know when I signed up to work at KFC. Right, we don't do this. We shouldn't be there anyway.
No, we're never there. No.
All right. We should go visit.
We should.
Leaders just for the
and have a look.
Obviously for our work purpose.
That's right.
Because
we're the VIPs.
The and possibly we might have some vouchers to give away.
Possibly. That means it won't.
Or we'll have to ask Colonel himself, obviously.
That's right.
His LAB. All right. All right, we'll be back very shortly with Inbound Upway.
Aye. Bono.
Setting of the sun and the beautiful moon, they come close. You show me the light and everything is alright. Just put your trust in me, brothers and sisters, and soon you'll see that your dreams are more than just fantasy. Hey.
99.1 north of Hikurangi. Ngāti He FM.
Iwa te kauma iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kauma iwa ira tahi tuatu I Hikurangi, morena e te iwi. I've just remembered I didn't actually turn the, which one do I supposed to push for the audio?
Did they listen to the song, did they?
Do I give them audio, USB, or do I give them...
USB now that we're talking.
I didn't turn it off. Okay.
So they were listening to the song.
Oh dear.
Hopefully that doesn't do anything to our online thingy. Catch your pie. We've been
Here we
doing
go.
it for months and we only just changed over. So
Yeah.
I'll let you off, Luke.
We're back, everybody. Hey, it's 8:39 this morning here in Whangarei. If you're listening in Perth, it's currently 3:39 a.m. I say Perth because we've got a listener from Perth today. Oh, they've jumped off. Fantastic. Okay.
Right.
Welcome back. Now, yes, Marcy, it's that time of the day where we play.
Oh, yes, Luke. And that's the time of the day where we play. No way, Tika.
That's right. It's all about the ticker, the kicker, the facts or the cacks. And if we're gonna, I've got all the facts for you today. But I'm gonna start off with my random facts about a possum.
Oh, yes. You've been forward selling that and I'm intrigued.
Now, Marcia, when possums are playing possum, so when they
Well, they're not playing. They are possum.
no, but you know, you know when they
and the headlights.
yeah, when they stop,
Yeah.
they actually have passed out in sheer terror.
Oh, yeah. It's like they're paralyzed.
They get so scared. They're like, oh, I can't move, but there's a car.
Yeah, that's so dumb. What a dumb natural instinct.
I know. They go, whoa, and then they
like, yeah, like as an animal in this hoodie, the circle of life, you've just made it easier for one, cars to hit you, but also animals to attack you.
instead of running away from a lion, they jump into
Yeah,
its
they're
mouth.
like, ah, just eat me now. I come paralyzed.
It's quite sad. So when they play possum and they freeze because they're trying to get away from that, no, make sure they can't see me, they're actually passing out.
Oh, karoha hoki.
Nah, get rid of them.
And it's funny. Yeah, sorry about it.
Where's another one?
Where's
Okay,
another
I've got one about snakes for you,
Cool.
Marcia.
Oh, yes, I love snakes. Not said no one either.
Oh, no, that's a dumb one.
Also, my cousin Louise Filipina,
Yes.
she lives out in Gold Coast, but she lives in like a forest area. Snake infested, spider infested area.
Why would you do that?
Exactly. So I'm never visiting you ever. But also she said, oh no, cuz. So last night there was a big shadow on the wall.
Oh,
and I was
no.
like, it's a spider. Then I turned on the light. What do you know? It's a spider that had just hatched eggs and 20 little spiders was crawling out of
Did she fly spray it? Oh,
yeah,
no.
she said, I fly sprayed it, okay, it's fine. I said,
But
it's
if it was
fly
a
spray, not spider killing spray.
If
okay?
it was a shadow, then it must have been quite big.
Oh, yeah. No, te mama, he ringa ringa. Te whānau pepe. Oh, yeah. That was enough. I was like, how can you do that?
Oh, no. No.
Yucky.
That's disgusting.
It is.
I've got another random fact for you. Horses cannot vomit. They physically cannot vomit.
Kia ora. Okay.
Which is quite out there considering they've got such a big mouth.
They can't vomit. Wonder if they can spit.
Oh, now how do people know this? This is another one I find really interesting. All polar bears are left-handed.
Oh.
How do they know that? Do they write them letters? Like, how do they know? How do you know
Maybe
that?
they eat their salmon with one hand.
Maybe, but
their left hand.
They're
Maybe
categorizing.
they wipe their bum.
They're stereotyping all polar bears.
To left-handed.
What
Okay.
how do you know?
It's just going on that horses can't spew, vomit. Dogs can't sweat.
Oh, no, they don't.
Yeah,
They
that's
put
why
their
they're
tongue
like,
out.
yeah.
That's
Kia ora.
interesting. That's very clever. Here's another one for you. Penguins can jump as high as 6 feet in the air. That's quite cute. They can jump.
What is that?
I'm
4
6.
centimeters is a
So
no,
that's like
feet.
I'm
How-
6'4",
I was-
6'5", one of those ones.
Oh, they can jump that high.
That's so
That's
cute.
amazing.
That's huge. I think
That
that's
is
kind of
amazing.
cute.
That's cool.
Yes.
I've got a thought. I like these shower thoughts
A
of mine.
statement.
A statement. If Apple, the company, well, they've already built a house, really, that building. But if they were to build a house as an Apple house, like, I don't know, 4-person, will they have windows?
That's clever.
That's a great question.
Oh, that was good, Mas. I like that. That was very good. You know what? People know that I don't like to be late. I just don't like being late.
Yes.
If you know me well, you know I don't like being late. But
And
it's
if
better
you
to
know
be
me well, you know I'm always on
well. It's
time.
better to be late than pregnant.
Kia ora.
Get it? Ah, no, she didn't. Anyway, my
'cause you're
last
late,
one for
get it.
today.
It's not really. Leave the thoughts with me, Luke.
My last one is an eagle. Like an eagle you see flying around and on the state highways, those big ginormous what are they called? Kororia?
Kororia kitiatua.
A kororia bird or something.
Korora? No, I don't know.
Korora. Isn't it called the kororia? Kororia?
Kororia kitiatua, probably.
Anyway, it can kill a young deer and fly away with it.
What about doe deer? Female deer.
Those little baby deers that are
There
born
goes a little deer
and
in
it
the
can't
mouth
walk,
of a bird.
it can literally scoop it up with its claws
Bro.
and fly off with it. That's
Oh.
pretty impressive.
It could probably get a cat, a
Oh my-
dog.
Yes, and
Yeah.
a baby.
And
Slugs,
deliver it to its mother.
slugs have 4 noses.
Slugs.
I find that weird.
That is weird. I've got the human body is super silent for the amount of mahi it does.
Oh my gosh, it is.
You're right. Except you're quite actually vocal.
No,
Your
but like-
body.
If walking, the
Like for the amount of work that it's doing right now,
Yes.
pumping blood, everything,
It's
everything's
quiet.
going on inside. Hair silent.
That's amazing. A snail. Now, this is for you people that don't want to get out of bed on time or think, oh, I can't, it's too hard. A snail can sleep for 3 years in one go.
Oh, get it.
That's terrible.
I'm sure some of my nieces can too.
Oh, dear. Okay, that's it.
It is possible when it is possible to cry when underwater. Yeah, we know.
It is possible.
That's where I go. I'm just going for a swim.
Can you cry underwater?
Yeah, you can. It says
Oh.
the internet, and if the internet says it, it's true.
Okay, my last one. Here we go. The last one for today is
Kono.
This is very, very, very important for any of you people who have a dog and you have anyone that's epileptic. Some dogs can predict when a child will have an epileptic seizure and even protect the child from injury. I do believe that.
Yeah, I know.
They're not trained to do this. They simply learn to respond after observing at least one attack. That's
Oh,
cool.
That is very cool.
Now, my final one,
Yes.
to keep it on a light-hearted, funny note.
Ora.
What is the name of a pregnant goldfish?
What is the name of a pregnant goldfish?
No? A pregnant
No.
goldfish is called a twit.
Oh.
Oh, isn't that great? So if someone says, don't be such a twit, they're calling you a pregnant fat goldfish.
Kia ora.
That's amazing.
Yes, it is.
Oh.
Oh wait, okay. I want to leave you with one good
Okay, I'll find
thought.
another one then.
No, I want to leave you. I had a good one
A
here. but it's
statement.
gone. Where's a statement? No. No. Oh, okay. Sorry, Atiwi. This is reverting radio. No, I've got nothing. After all that, they're not good enough. My statements need to be well.
I've got. No, I don't have it. I'm sorry. No, I got. Nah, I don't have it. Alrighty, it is 8:48 this morning here at E Ara E Mata with Marcy and Luke, and no Phoenix today. We're finishing off at 9 a.m.
Yes, we are. Hey, my last thought though is
She found one. She's
just
got
about, body awareness and all of that
Oh,
stuff.
yes.
Or how people look at themselves and they think they're ugly or whatever.
Mm.
Hey, look, you're just not your type
Marcia.
You might be someone else's type. Like, have you ever considered
That is actually really, really good.
Hey, that's horny.
I like that. You may not be your type.
Yeah, like, because you have types and people get down on themselves. I'm like, because you're not your own type. And guess what? You don't have to be. Someone will like your type. Get it?
I like that.
I finished it high.
That
There
was
you go.
good.
I feel like
That's really good.
Yeah, that is.
Because some people will message me on Instagram saying, you're what I want to be. You've got big chest and you're a big guy. And I'm like, because sometimes you have your downer days and actually you could be someone else's type.
Yes.
That they want to aspire
Because
to.
you don't want to, you're not trying to impress yourself. Well, yes, you know what I mean.
get you.
Like,
that's actually really important.
if you're not liking yourself, because someone else likes your type.
I give you that,
don't have
Mars.
to like
That was very
You're
good.
you're not your type.
Oh, I
That's
like
just on
it.
those downer days if you feel like it. Anyway, that was real
Reversion.
prophetic.
Prophetic. Okay, it's 8:50 a.m. We're going to get back to the rhythm. Marcia, what are we playing, girl?
We are playing this. Oh, what an intro. It's Sunshine. It's 1814 here
Yeah.
on Rhythm of the Roy. Ngāti FM.
Woo!
We'll have one more voice break.
It just got really hot in here.
Yes. I get tissues up in here.
Oh! Do they have a cleaner that comes in here?
They have a cleaner that goes in there. I'm not too sure if they come in here.
This is my new.
Excuse you. Sometimes you gotta get away.
Oh, there's my little head. Fascinated. If I go to a royal wedding, that's it. Hi, how are you? Phoenix. Oh, Jamil's birthday today.
Oh, yes. We'll say it. On our outro. It's outro and then we're out. Then we're out, G.
My nipples are hard.
Thank you for that information.
Liverpool and we, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's up for my jersey. Oh. I want to put on a show mask, but this level thing is just doing nothing.
Well, I kept dividing it into like catching the bus to school.
Oh!
So I goes to Cove School. Instead I could
Oh,
go
does
next
she?
door to Girls High.
Oh, cool. She's at Girls High School.
I know, yeah, high school too.
No.
Lorena Kikwe to go battery Luke.
Lula!
I know.
No! I feel old. No, I don't approve. That's when my pie started in high school. Like, no, go back to kindy. Go back to being cute at kindy.
Wait, this is Baba. Suki Lula.
Now we feel old. Oh, Sebastian's here. Lock the door. He's a great guy, but I think he just wants the D.
Oh my gosh. You only say that because he can hear you on the radio.
Can they hear out
Fully
there?
laden.
Can they hear out there?
No.
Oh, good.
Have you tuned in?
Always wearing a denim shirt. That's quite
Oh
nice.
no, but we're safe because none of them tuned in.
Yeah, they should. They should at least just put it on and don't watch it. At least it's on. What are we talking about?
Kia ora.
Morena.
Kai.
Oh, look at you in the
Fully
karaka.
laden. Oh,
I love the way you shimmy. Marcy, what's our... We've got 30 seconds.
we got 30
I love the way you just shimmy on it.
Fully laden.
Oh. Well, we had a look what was on your
No.
laptop. Oh, terrible, eh? The stuff you've got on there.
He loves City Finance.
You're cute.
Oh, yeah.
Piss off.
Oh, really?
Oh. Iwa te kau ki whangarei nei, iwa te kauma, iwa ira tahi tuatu I hikurangi morena. It is 8:53 a.m. with Luke and Marcia.
Tika tau kōrero e te
Tika.
ruka. It is currently 6 minutes to 9 o'clock, which simply means kua huri te kei o tō tāua waka ki te kāinga, and it's time for us to get on out of here. But before we do,
Yes.
we would like to celebrate Etahi Hurito mō te rangi.
Aye, that's right.
Aye.
Marcia?
You going to do it?
Oh, yes. Well, I did one today, and
Yes.
the great big hunk of spunk that is Jamil Ruka. It's his birthday today.
Kia ora.
He is 41 today. Jamil
And look
Ruka.
at me, only looks 20-something.
I know, amazing.
41 today, Tiwi.
41.
Jamil Ruka.
Gosh.
First of Feb.
First of Feb. That's and he's looking good. So happy birthday to you, Jamil. And
Yes.
let your brother know.
Also,
Should be at work.
Yes, a shout out to Te Waka Mauriri is his actual name, his longer name.
Te Waka Mauriri.
He celebrates his birthday today. Happy birthday, bro. That's Ridia Morgan's husband
love.
or partner. And they celebrate their birthday with, I know there was a celebrity birthday today.
Oh.
What was her name? Lisa Marie Presley.
Oh, wow. Elvis's
celebrate.
girl.
Yeah.
Oh,
Born back in 1968.
wow, she's old.
She is old.
I didn't think she was that old.
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be right, though, because he died in 71 or 72.
True.
I don't know. I think it
Anyway,
was. Yes.
happy birthday to you. Hari huri tau kia koe. Hari huri tau kia koutou. Hari huri tau kia koe. Yes. Where else can you get that on radio?
You can't.
Oh, wait. Yeah, kia ora. Here we are, no mai mau o tēnei wā. Kia kaha.
Kia mai.
Kia nifa.
Bye, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow morning, 7:15 a.m. with more important reverting radio coming live, direct, local at your home.
Oh, kia ora, e ara e mana. Anybody seen Phoenix? Tell him he works on radio. Ngā Tihine FM, Kagite.
Bye, everybody.
What's wrong with the world, mama? People living like they ain't got no mamas. I think the whole world's addicted to the drama.
How many people watching?
2 now. But there were heaps before. Hi, everybody. It's time for us to go home. Great day, wasn't it? Great day of work.
Reverting radio.
Wherever you are in the rohe, thanks for joining us. Remember to join in tomorrow morning from 7:15ish a.m.
And you can share our links too. Like, if you see
Yeah.
the link, share it, put it on your page, tell everybody that you're listening.
Just share it. And if you don't want to watch during the whole day, just keep us on for the 2 hours. That's
also,
it.
if you have anything that you want to be said on the radio, we are a radio station where we see your comments and we put them out to the
We see everything.
Yeah.
So please watch. Join us tomorrow morning. Put it in a reminder in your calendar. Put an alert on to come on. Oh, Auntie Michelle, morena. It's time for us to go. Yes, Nana Hooper.
I hope you're all good.
Yes, hope you're well. And so we're leaving right now. It's 9 o'clock. The news will be starting from Wāti. If you want to join in, you can go to their page. If not, we're going. Bye, everybody. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow. I'm going to keep going. See you tomorrow.
Oh my God.
See you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.